Let's get a check on the market now with business editor Ticky Fullerton. And Ticky, markets are down today. What's driving it?
Yeah, Tom, good afternoon. Market's down about 0.6% today, but I mean, really, I think there's quite a lot going on to worry about at the moment. Firstly, we've got, of course, Victoria, but then internationally, we're now 13 million COVID cases. Wall Street is clearly worried about this. NASDAQ went down 2% overnight, and we came off that. And we've had a real rethink, I think, today about some of our tech companies, particularly the buy now, pay later space. Now, Afterpay, which has had this stellar rise in the last few weeks, all the way up to $76, is down 7.1% today. Zip down over 6, Sezzle down, I think, over 10. And look, we've had a release of a research firm, Ibis World. They've been warning investors, frankly, that the whole buy now, pay later sector, the market enthusiasm may be outpacing the growth. None of these companies are actually making a profit, Tom. I mean, this is the problem. And it's not so much dot-com crisis, but it's just that the rate of growth in the share price doesn't quite reflect perhaps what's going on underneath at this stage.
No, and look, it doesn't mean none of them will make a profit, but if they're all sort of blooming in the share market and none of them are making a profit, that's where you've got to be a little bit worried about which ones might not make it. Ticky, confidence numbers as well. I guess on confidence, I mean, COVID's the big one, but you could almost ask people day to day and their position would change. It probably changes after each Daniel Andrews presser.
Well, exactly. I mean, I think we had the business confidence numbers come out today from NAB, and, you know, at one level, you can say it's sort of bouncing back, business conditions back up 17 points. But, you know, even Alan Oster, the chief economist, was saying it's off a very, very low base. Business confidence has rebounded. Partly it's, you know, trading, company profitability and employment, but again, off that low base. And we also had ABS numbers come out today on unemployment, and payrolls have come back since mid-April, but there's a slowdown in payroll growth, and the ABS reports that 35% of the jobs have been regained by the end of June. But, I mean, it's still very different from before this all started. So we're all looking forward to next week to see what the Treasurer obviously has to say. One thing that might be giving him some joy is that, can you believe it, the iron ore price is up 5.2% at $108.4 a tonne. So that must be at least throwing something into his coffers, Tom.
Incredible what a bit of red dirt in your landscape does for your economy. Ticky Fullerton, thank you.
All the best.